Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the subject Cadcam. In the subject we are going to discuss about the topic Unit 1 Introduction. In this introduction about the Cadcam computer aided design and computer aided manufacturing product cycle, otherwise it is called as what's that product life cycle. So product cycle means starting means development of the product to end of its life. We have to, what are the stages it will cross during the development to end of the life of the product. That is called as product life cycle. The product life cycle starts with developing the product concept, evolving the design, engineering the product, manufacturing the part, and assembly the components, then marketing and servicing. These are the stages it will include that. So the product undergoes the following two main process in its product life cycle: design process and manufacturing process. So we are going to discuss about its product life cycle. The flowchart shows life cycle of a product. The concept of a product will be developed based on the necessity of that product. If a company want to decide to making a component means requirement of that product in the factory, requirement of the product in the society, based on that only they can decide to making. So the concept is developed based on the requirement of the customer. So how can the company will take the census the requirement of the customer from the marketing people? They have take the census. So from that census, which type is most moving, which type is most requirement, and which design they are required. For example, a TV means in the market which type of TV is most moving in the market. For example, the TV is available from the 32 inches to 6990 inches. So most of the people liking 32 inches. So low, so in the market 32 inches mostly moving. Then 42 inches, 49 inches, 50 inches. So mostly move. The rich people only they are buying 90 inches, 105 inches like that. So depends upon that how which type of model mostly moving in the factory they have designed. So from that marketing census they have designed the which design which type of TV is moving mostly faster in the market. So design needed, design specifications, then feasibility of study with the collection design information. Feasibility study means is it possible to making this type of product in our factory? Those things they have to decide. So from these factors they have designed the concepts. So this stage is called as synthesis. So after we have finalized the products, then we go for the analysis stage. In this analysis stage is analyze the model. We have finalized the model, but we have to check it whether it is suitable. What are the drawbacks? Okay, so that's why we go for the analyze model. Then finalize the design. Then analyze and optimize the design. That means uh, as per our design, what is the size, what is the capacity, what is the specifications, these things we have to optimize. Then we have to evaluate that final design. Then we have to finalize the design. We go for the design documentations. Okay, we go for the design documentation. This stage is called as what's it? CAD and CAE. That means computer aided design and computer aided engineering. This is theoretical stage. This stage is called as what's the theoretical stage. After that we go for the manufacturing, but before the manufacturing everything we are decided. Then we go for the manufacturing. In this manufacturing initial process is called as process planning. So process planning here we have to depends upon the market requirement. We have to decide the production planning, design and procurement of new tools, any special tools needed for that particular design, then material ordering, uh, then machine programs. These things we have to decide it. Production planning means which machine we are going to utilize to make this component, which operator, how many shifts we have to run. Those things we have to decide during production planning. Design and procurement of new tools means if any special tools, special dies we needed for making these components means those things we have to analyze and finalize that one. Then material ordering depends upon the customer order. We have to procure the raw materials. This stage is called as material ordering. Then we have to be, prepare the programs for CNC and DNC automatic machines. Based on the production drawing we have to make the programs, then we execute the production. Execute after completing production we go for testing, quality control, then testing, then in the testing stage it's success we go for packaging, then shipped into market. So go for the sales, okay, through the marketing people. So the product life is start from the market survey and it's go for the market for consumer use. So this is called as product life cycle, otherwise product cycle. Thank you.